Alright folks, changing the oil on an '06 Ford Explorer. This is where the oil filter is, or not oil filter, the oil pan is, excuse me. As you can see, the frame and the oil pan both have got oil all over it, and I'm wondering if maybe it was seeping through and just started leaking out. I have no idea, but I will soon find out. And then the oil filter is in the front, and I'll show you guys that when I am done.
That's what we took out. Why? And it was on there so tight. I have no idea why anybody would even put it on so tight. But, like Junior says, we're using the genuine Ford Motorcraft. We forgot to open this, folks. Let it breathe, as they say. Well, this, according to the paperwork, 5 quarts. We'll see in a minute. Be right back.
Hard time with that?
All right, let's check to see it now. If we're full. Here, use this schmuck. Ugh.
Am I full?
Yep.
Okay.
And so concludes our oil change on this '06 Ford Explorer. Now we're going to see if there's any leaks. I don't see any. All right, folks. That's all, folks.